Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator, and as always, it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I would like to do today is show you how to create a 3D watermelon using our 3D options within Adobe Illustrator. A really cool effect that you can use, and you can go and create different types of balls, different types of fruit, and just follow the simple step-by-step process, and you'll be able to create some amazing stuff. So let's do it. How do we create this 3D watermelon effect? Okay, so what I'm going to do, use the selection tool here to select the original one, and let's remove it. Okay, so what I first of all need to do is create a symbol. So what I'm going to do is come here and use my rectangle tool. I'm going to probably put like a lighter green in there. Let's say around probably, yeah, this kind of color will do. Okay, so with that selected, I'm now going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and Roughen. We would like to roughen this. Going to take the detail down probably to 3 inches and probably come here to about 3% also. And I would like to come through, see it's a little bit sharp, just come and make it smooth. Okay, so now using the shortcut Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows, we are now going to duplicate like so, and then we're going to use a shortcut Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to continue that transformation, like so. Now I'm going to set everything here, and what we need to do is we need to now make this into a symbol. Okay, so have it selected. We can go Window, Symbols here, and as you can see, we've got this little plus sign, and I'm going to come through and add a new symbol. It's always wise to label your elements just so that you're organized, you know where everything is going and everything is. Okay, so there is a symbol saved in our symbol library. What I'm now going to do is come and remove this by pressing backspace. I'm going to use my ellipse tool here, like so. And I'm going to press Shift to keep it nice and proportionate, and Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point. Just want to make that into sort of a darker green color. Wonderful. And now I was going to come through and create a rectangle and cover the half of this ellipse here. I'm going to use my selection tool and select everything. And we're going to use the shape builder here. And we're going to use Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to remove using the shape builder. And that's the shape that I wanted to use. Okay, so with this selected, now I'm going to go to Effects, 3D and Materials. Quite recently, Illustrator has updated all of their 3D options. We've got tutorials that have been released about using them software. What I'm going to do today is stick with our 3D and classic options. What I'm going to do is come through and we are going to say revolve, like so. Now, as you can see, the shape isn't looking sphere-like or anything like that. So what we need to change is our offset from the left edge, and we now need to change that to the right edge. What I'm going to do now is come through to our surface options here, and I'm going to change that to diffuse shading. And then I'm going to come to our map art option here. And as you can see, we have our symbols, and I'm going to come through and we have watermelon there, like so. We have this option here to scale to fit, like so. And as you can see, we have scaled that to fit. We press OK. Can give a little bit of a rotation here to get the point that you'd like. Let's say I'm happy with that. And now I'm going to press OK. Just going to come through and expand the appearance. And there you have it, guys. We get a little bit of a rotation there, like so. Wonderful. And that's how you create 3D watermelon within Adobe Illustrator. Thank you very much, guys, for taking the time and listening and watching our tutorial. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.